Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Tuesday. So what's really happening on the market? I don't think we're gonna have any big of a move, especially on Friday. We have NFP. So this is actually the last week of the month. So mostly the market tends to be quite slower. So, as you know, we start with our dollar index. You can see that, sorry, you can see that the market is still struggling on this consolidation structure. The market has been playing around this level. Maybe something can throw something like that, yeah. But at the end of the day, the market is still consolidating. So what we want here is, if maybe the market goes back to touch this resistance, what I want is to see the market continuing going lower. But I think that will be actually concluded by NFP on Friday. If NFP is going to be cool enough to, let's say, a little bit weaker, it's where we're going to see the dollar losing that momentum. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. You can see that we don't really see anything that can actually, doesn't really seem like the market will be bouncing back anytime soon, especially when we still expect a lot of rate cuts along the way. I hope you see that. So at the moment, USD, to me, it's actually going to go lower for quite some time. Yes, along the way, the market might reverse, but at the end of the day, the market will end up going down. At the end of the day, you can see that this is actually a nice downtrend structure. So when you go on other pairs, let's say any pair that goes with the dollar, most of them, they will be gaining that momentum because the dollar is slowly going down, and that is actually something very good, or something that we actually like. You see, that is actually what we like. So let's go straight to GBP and see what's really happening. GBP seems to be reversing, guys. GBP seems to be reversing. You saw that on the dollar index, it was going a little bit higher, which is something that pushes GBP to go lower. So which means maybe the market is ready to go towards this support area. I think for almost 2 weeks now, or more than that, we've been talking about this uptrend. Obviously, you see what's really happening. So now we just have to focus on this structure. So the question now is going to be, are we going to see a respect here? Because the market gave us a bounce before, and now it seems like the market is there again. Yeah, it's possible, but what I will do, it's actually going to be this area. I trust this level that it's actually stronger. I think the market might bounce back around this level and push up a little bit. So here there is that possibility, but if you still remember that area, it was something like that, and you can easily see that it was not really that stronger. You see that the market already broke out of that. So which means if we broke out of that structure, this might not really be a reliable structure because we already had a support going up. So this other one here, after we break out, it's not going to be reliable. So the reliable one is going to be this one. Yes, it's possible for the market to still respect this, but I won't actually jump on the market and buy around this level. I will wait for the market to reach this level and start to actually buy around these levels, going towards this resistance. And this area also, you have to know that the market might bounce back again, so which means you have to get out unless if the market breaks out. But at the end of the day, yes, we are still on this nice uptrend. So just know that when we are on this uptrend, one way or another, the markets will still reverse along the way. You can see here the market reversed. Maybe even here the market will reach this level, or we see a nice push. Plus, we have this stronger support down here. Maybe the market will even reach there, but that will mean that the dollar has to gain a lot of momentum. But since we had these bullish moves, a very stronger one there, there is a chance that the market maybe might cool off up to this point, or maybe even this lower area. But it seems like not really likely, because at the moment everyone seems to be selling US dollars actually. So which means along the way we will still see a continuation of that a nice buy. So now we are actually on gold. I think we did take this a nice signal there. So the overall structure, you can see that we are on this nice bullish move. Tensions in the Middle East seems to be continuing, but at the end of the day, we are still on this nice uptrend, which means since the dollar is going down, we expect XAU or gold to keep pushing even higher. I like the fact that the market tried to reverse there, so which means I'm still expecting to see a nice reversal. I sent this yesterday, so I'm expecting to lock the profits once we reach halfway there. But I'm still expecting to see the market maybe reaching this higher level. Tensions in the Middle East, guys, they are still boiling. Let's hope for peace, but things are getting worse, and that will actually make gold to be quite stronger. I hope maybe you see that. So something like that will actually happen. But even though it's like that, I think gold, it's been overbought, but fundamentally, or geopolitics that we see, yes, I think we still have enough room to go even higher. I'm still very bullish. So we did have a nice pending order. I'm still hoping for a continuation of that buy. So let's push to the next one. Guys, please bear with me. My network is very weak. So yeah, I just relocated actually. So my network is quite weak, so but it's fine. As long as you're gonna get this video, it means no, you're good. You don't really have to worry. So US30, what's really happening? You can easily see that the market is still on this nice uptrend structure, but it seems like around this level, since we broke out of this structure here, the market is struggling. The market is actually struggling to go higher. So which means let's try to step back, especially on US30, maybe also Nasdaq, because they seems to be waiting for NFP. So you can see that we have an issue here. The market is not really moving the way we want. So let's step back. I thought maybe once the market broke out of this, you can see we had a nice push to the upside, but the market reversed. So which means the market is still playing games with us. So what we're going to do here is let's try to relax and see if maybe the market is going to go nicely above these levels, because sometimes the market just go up while you're still holding, then the market goes back and touch your stop loss. At the end of the day, the market is back again. So which means this is just a consolidation, but at the end of the day, yes, we still believe that the market will continue to go even higher. I hope you understand. So which means maybe you can try to place it a little bit higher, try to stretch your stop losses. Sometimes you have to and make sure that your TP is also a little bit up, because you are now risking a lot. But the best thing that you can do, use a smaller lot size, small lot size there, you see, so that you can actually survive the drawdown if the market will be doing that. But at the end of the day, yes, we know very well that the market will be going up, but maybe you can stay out, because on Friday we have NFP, so maybe that will be your enemy. So we can just relax and see what will happen on Friday before we jump in. So sometimes it's not really good just to wait for the whole week, because people want to make money, guys. So waiting for the whole week, it seems like a bad idea, but it's good because you're not losing anything. Plus, the market is not really going anywhere, you see. So the market since last week, the market has been playing around the same level. So now we are on Nasdaq, quite similar to Nasdaq here. You can see that we had this area. We also had another pending order here. It's been playing around the same level. So which means now this is the second week where the market is just playing around the same level. So which means even if you did wait, you were not going to lose anything. We did not really had those bigger moves. And this is not really new. You can see even here, we had quite similar thing. Around this level, we also had the same thing. So after this type of consolidation, yes, we will get that move. The problem is when this move comes, you might find that you already took some losses. You see, so the best thing that you can do, if maybe you want to be in the market, try to use proper lot sizes, which means it's a bit smaller, and you can actually able to hold those drawdowns until the market decides to go even higher. You see, so at the end of the day, I think the market will still reach this level of resistance, but yes, expect some movements around here because everyone is just speculating about NFP. You see, everyone is still talking about NFP, what will happen, what might not really happen, and stuff like that. So please, if you if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who want to be part of our team, there is our prizes. Talk to me if you want to be part of the team. Scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? It's melting. Whoa. US oil is going down. Just look at this. So you can see that, yeah, we had some structures here and I've been preaching about this downtrend for quite some time now. So even here we did smash, but the market started to play around. So which means we'll just have to wait and see if maybe the market will be reaching this support area or breaking out of that. Or maybe the market might reach this support area and decide to bounce back. The market might decide to bounce back here. So yeah, we will have to wait and see, but I'm expecting to see maybe a continuation of this breakout. This area might be the same as this. You see this area here, where the market goes touch this support area and continues to go lower. Or maybe the market might decide to reverse. If the market decides to reverse, that will also be a very good thing, but we can actually look for a nice sell around this levels. But this, when we see YTI or US oil going down, this is good for inflation. This is good for oil prices. They are now going lower and lower, and that is actually good. But be extra careful because we are very closer to the support area, which means anything can happen. They've been going, the market, the oil prices, they've been actually going lower for a while now. So which means anything can happen. You see. So anyways, guys, if you reached this point and you did not really smash that subscribe button, please smash that subscribe button. The channel is growing. Maybe we will be adding some new stuff along the way, right? So what's really happening now? We are on German 40 or German 30. You can see that the market has been actually showing us some very nice moves. We expect the market to continue going higher, but where we are, I think, is quite the same or similar to what we saw on Nasdaq US30. The market is still playing around the same level. This is 4 hours time frames, which means more than a day the market is actually been playing around. So but at the end of the day, I'm still expecting to see the market pushing even higher. I hope you see. I'm still expecting to see the market going even high as we are on this nice bullish structure. I hope this makes sense, guys. So anyways, thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Yeah, for those who wants to be part of the team, there it's your packages. Pause the video, scan the QR code, just WhatsApp me if you want to be part of the team. Thank you very much. Bye.